Hello, today I'm going to show you what to do if you're blocked out of your files. As you can see here, we have a lot of, they look like stop signs with little lines on it. So if I try to open this, it'll tell me right here that it cannot be opened, you do not have permission. So if this is somebody else's disk, you should definitely not do this. But if you are transferring files from one computer to the other and you have permission errors, it's a pretty easy fix. So what you do is you have to go to it over here, and if you're using a 2-button mouse, then you would right click. If you're using an Apple mouse, then what you do is you hold down Command and click. Sorry about that. Actually, it's Control and click. Once this comes up, scroll down to wherever you see Get Info. Mine is here. If you have a different version, it may be somewhere else, but it says Get Info. This will open up right here. And down here you'll see something called sharing and permission. It might be closed. If it is, click on the little arrow to open it up, and it'll show you what the users can do. So these are the users who have access and what they can do. As you can see here, everyone does not have access, and then the actual user here has the privilege to read and write. Now if I want to change that, I'm going to click on this little lock right here, and now I'm going to put in my computer password. So that'll open that up, and I have a little plus here. I can go plus. I'm going to choose my user and select. Now remember, this is only going to work if you have an administrator password. If you don't have administration access, you cannot do this. So I'm going to click select, and I'm going to go over here for privileges, and I'm going to go to read and write. Now I'm going to click on this little gear and apply to enclosed items, and OK. So now if I close this, as you can see, the one that I did work on, it's all open. Now if you have a lot of them like this, I can actually go back one level. Let me open that up. So right here is the test user that I created. I'm going to do the same thing, only here. I'm going to go here to get info. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go to add. I'm going to select my user, select, make sure that I have read and write, click on the gear, and apply to enclosed items. So now when I open it up, all of them are open. And I can actually take a look at it. So if I go to my desktop, but there's nothing actually in there. Music, but that should give you access to all of your files. And again, like I said before, if this is a disk that's not yours, please do not do this and ask the person that the disk belongs to. If it is yours, it's a very easy way to fix their permissions. Good luck.